Hi, welcome to Deel and to your onboarding experience in Italy. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Italy, so we will be going through some country-specific information. Required compliance documents. In order to be able to receive your employment agreement, you will need to upload some mandatory compliance documents, specifically copy of the Codice Fiscale, health and safety risk information, passport or ID, pension and contributory ceiling. The HNS risk information will need to be signed and forwarded through platform. The pension and contributory ceiling will need to be flagged according to your applicable contributory regime. Please make sure to flag either the first or the second option, as they are alternative voices. Benefits. You could be provided with a private life or and health insurance. If benefits are offered, the information is captured on the Deel platform and in the benefit tab, not in the contract. Health and safety requirements. Each employee is required to undertake a medical check and to complete a mandatory HLS training. These steps are arranged for you and you will be contacted by our provider in a given time, more or less 1 month from the start of the contract. Please note that these certificates to be uploaded in the compliance documents section will not block the onboarding process. Regime Impatriati, tax exemption. You may have heard of the tax program called Regime Impatriati or Rientro dei Cervelli. This program is for individuals who move or relocate their tax residence to Italy. In case of doubts on the eligibility to this exemption, we recommend to consult Agenzia delle Entrate webpage and with local tax offices or tax experts. If you're eligible and your contract of employment is active, you can fill in the applicable form to be found on platform in your document section. There are 3 forms provided there. Please choose the applicable one and upload it on platform once the contract has started, in order for us to review. DRESP form. DRESP is a document related to tax deductions, which is meant to be uploaded on platform in order for us to know which tax rate correctly applies to your income. Related to this, you will be able to flag either that you are just receiving Deel salary or that you have a higher income, which will need to be indicated together with the tax rate to be applied. Please note that the last page is meant to be filled in only by employees under a fixed term contract. Sick leave. Please make sure to update your time of section when going on sick leave, inserting the sick leave dates under the sick leave section. Please make sure to flag the protocol number for the medical certificate and upload the certificate itself as attachment for full visibility. We thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Italian specifics. We hope this video was helpful.